Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum of isometric and will draw it using Tinkercad software. So this is the solution which we have drawn in isometric. This is the question, front view and the top view. The dimensions are given. The width is 110. The height is 60. So according to the given dimensions, we'll draw it and construct in Tinkercad software. First we'll take a box as per the dimensions. 110 width we have calculated, 60, depth is 60, and height is 60. So we have constructed a rectangular box first. As in isometric manual drawing also we do this first. Now we have to cut this part on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Dimensions we will calculate. The height is 20. So first we'll take a box with the shape of a hole. Adjust its dimensions. That is 110 minus 20 is 90. So the depth height we will increase it at 20 as the cut is above 20, and this height we can increase anyhow as we want to just slice it up, so the height doesn't matter. We'll duplicate it as we want to cut it on the other side as well. Now grouping this two and aligning forward and on the extreme right, we'll group it, select and group. So this part has been cut. Same we will do it with the other side as well. After this, we need to slice some more parts. There is a slant part. Slant part we'll do it later. First we will cut the center part. Take a box with the shape of a hole. Adjust it. The width is 50. It is given. Height will be 50. You can increase as much as you want. We'll move it up at a height of 20. Now we'll just center align it, front align, top align, front align. But as you know, we want the cut part to be above more 10. As it is given in the question, so we'll total increase it at a height of 30 and then slice it up. So we got this part. You can look, this is above 10. Now we want to cut the slant part. You can do it as you want. What I am doing, I'll take a scale. First I'll keep a work plane on top of this. As we want the exact dimensions, we'll keep a ruler here. We'll adjust it accordingly. The length we want from this side is 22. I'll get a box shape, hole shape, and we'll rotate it and then slice the part. Group it and we are done. Three-dimensional block is ready. You can just compare with the solution we have drawn manually. So this is the solution. This is the question. I will convert this into orthographic view. This is the front view. You can see from the question the front view. We have drawn exactly the bent lines, the dark lines you can see. Rotating it to the top view, the slant line looks like straight from the top view. You can see these two lines. This is the slant view. You can just compare with the front and the top view. Rotating back into 3-dimensional view. This is the solution we have drawn. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or queries, do let me know in the comment section.